What if you could go from zero tech skills to landing your first high-paying AI client in the next 30 days? Most people hear that and think, no way. They think you need to be a coding genius or a data scientist to cash in on the AI revolution. They see the AI consulting market exploding into the tens of billions of dollars, with estimates for 2026 ranging from around $14 billion to over $30 billion, and they feel like they've already missed the boat. They are completely wrong. I'm here to tell you that your lack of coding skills is actually your secret weapon. I went from feeling totally overwhelmed by AI to building a successful consulting business that helps companies solve real-world problems, all without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step roadmap I used, so you can do it too. This is the plan that works right now. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to completely rewire your brain because you've been told a lie. The lie is that businesses want to buy code, complex algorithms, or fancy AI models. They don't. Businesses pay for solved problems. They pay for outcomes. They pay for more leads, lower costs, happier customers, and less time wasted on soul-crushing repetitive tasks. The tech is just how you get there. Think of it like this. You don't need to be a master mechanic who can build a Lamborghini engine from scratch to be a world-class race car driver. To be a world-class race car driver, you just need to know how to drive the hell out of the car. No-code AI tools are that Lamborghini. Platforms like ChatGPT, Make.com, and countless others are incredibly powerful engines that are already built. Your job isn't to build the engine, it's to get in the driver's seat and deliver a win for your client. Your real strength as a non-coder is that you're not obsessed with the technology, you're obsessed with the business problem. And that is what clients will pay a premium for. In 2026, no-code AI tools can handle a massive number of common business problems, from building custom AI assistants to automating entire workflows. They may not be suited for every highly specialized task, but they are more than enough to get you started and deliver serious value. So, let's get you in the driver's seat. Here's your 30-day roadmap. This plan is broken down into 4 simple, one-week sprints. Don't skip a step. Don't get distracted by shiny new tools. Just follow the plan. Week 1, the foundation, mindset, and market. Your first week isn't about tools. It's about total immersion. You need to learn to speak the language of business AI and figure out where you can provide the most value. From day 1 to day 3, your only job is to become an information sponge. Your goal? To understand the problems businesses are actually facing. I want you to subscribe to 3 newsletters, not a dozen. You'll just get overwhelmed. Just 3. I recommend starting with the Rundown AI, Superhuman AI, and the Neuron. They're all designed for business pros, not engineers, and will show you practical AI uses in a few minutes a day. As you read, keep a simple doc open and write down every single problem you see AI solving. You'll start to notice the pattern. It's always about business outcomes. From day 4 to day 7, you're going to do the single most important thing in this entire 30-day process. You are going to pick a niche. I cannot overstate this. You cannot be the AI person for everyone. You need to become the AI person for dentists or the AI automation expert for real estate agents. Why? Because a niche turns you from a generalist into a specialist. Specialists command higher prices, have way less competition, and find clients more easily. Pick an industry you know something about or one you're curious about. Spend these 4 days researching that industry. What are their common complaints? Where are their bottlenecks? What repetitive tasks do they all hate doing? You aren't selling AI, you're selling a solution to their specific headaches. Week 2, the skill set, Mastering 1, Leverage Tool. Welcome to week 2. You've got your niche. Now you need a tool. Notice I said a tool, singular. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn 10 different things at once. We're not doing that. Your goal is depth, not breadth. You're going to master one no-code automation platform. These platforms are the digital glue that connects different apps together, letting you build powerful workflows without code. The 2 best on-ramps are Zapier and Make. Zapier is famous for being incredibly user-friendly, while Make is a bit more visual and powerful for complex stuff. Both have free plans to get you started. Pick one. For the next 7 days, from day 8 to day 14, just live inside that platform. binge their tutorials, watch every YouTube video you can find about it. Your assignment for the week is to build 3 simple automations for yourself. One that automatically saves attachments from your email to a Google Drive folder. One that posts a good morning message in a Slack channel every day at 9 a.m. One that creates a new task in your project manager whenever you add a new row to a Google Sheet. These are simple, but they will teach you the fundamental logic of triggers, actions, and data mapping that powers all no-code automation. You're building muscle memory. By the end of this week, you won't just know about the tool, you'll know how to use it. Week 3, the offer, from tool to solution. You've got your niche and you've got your skill. Now in week 3, we turn that into something you can actually sell. From day 15 to day 21, your mission is to craft your irresistible foot-in-the-door offer. Remember, businesses don't buy Zapier automations. They buy never missing a hot lead again. You have to translate your technical skill into a tangible business outcome. Look back at your niche research from week 1. What was a major repetitive pain point? Let's stick with the real estate agent example. A huge problem is responding to website inquiries fast enough before the lead goes cold. So, your offer isn't, I will build you a make.com scenario. Your offer is, I'll build you an instant lead response system that automatically texts every new website lead within 60 seconds so you can connect with them while they're still red hot. See the difference? You're selling the result, not the process. Your task this week is to create one simple, high-impact offer for your chosen niche. It should solve a single, painful problem. This isn't the time to offer a full-scale AI transformation. You want a small, specific, undeniable win. This is your Trojan horse, the small project you execute perfectly that leads to bigger, more lucrative projects down the line. Forget complicated funnels or expensive ads. We're going to use a simple human-to-human outreach strategy. I call it the problem-first message. Week 4, the outreach, landing your first client. This is it. Week 4, time to get paid. From day 22 to day 30, we focus only on getting that first client. You're going to find 50 businesses in your niche using Google Maps, LinkedIn, or industry directories. Then you're going to send them a personalized email or LinkedIn message. Here's a template. Hi name, I was looking at your real estate agency's website and noticed you have a contact form for new leads. A lot of agents I talk to mention how tough it is to follow up on those leads instantly before they go cold. I specialize in building simple automation systems for real estate agents that solve this exact problem. Would you be open to a quick 15-minute chat next week about how you're currently handling new lead follow-up? That's it. You're not selling, you're not begging, you're leading with their problem and positioning yourself as a specialist who gets their world. Your goal for this week is to send 5 to 10 of these messages every single day. Track your responses in a spreadsheet. Follow up politely. Out of 50 contacts, you will get replies. From those replies, you will get conversations. And from one of those conversations, you can land your first client. While it's an ambitious goal, it's absolutely possible to do this within the month. Let's recap the plan. Week 1, you immerse yourself in the world of business AI and pick a niche to dominate. Week 2, you master one no-code automation tool until it feels like second nature. Week 3, you craft a specific high-impact offer that solves a painful problem. Week 4, you use a simple direct outreach method to land your first paying client. That's the whole plan. The goal is that in 30 days, you can go from an outsider looking in to an AI consultant with a client and cash in the bank. The opportunity in AI consulting is growing at a staggering rate, with experts estimating a compound annual growth of anywhere from the mid-20s to mid-30s%. You don't need a formal degree or Python skills to get started on this path. You just need to start. Start with day 1.